Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can highlight your hair at home. You can look at the video and figure out that I have already highlighted my hair, and this is actually the end product. So the product that I'm going to be using in today's video is from L'Oreal Paris. It's called Excellence Fashion Highlights, and the shade that I'm using is Honey Blonde. So let's get into the unboxing real quick so you'll understand what all it has in it. So this is how the outer packaging of the product looks like, and then it has all the product inside it. So the first thing that I'm picking out is this protective conditioner, and then we have protective cream colorant, expert highlights brush. You have to use it vertically, and now you have development. This product also gives you a well detailed leaflet, and the leaflet is very easily understandable. And you can also see here I have some gloves, so high quality, like you can just touch it and you'll understand how good the quality of the gloves are. So this is what actually the leaflet looks like. The one side it is in Hindi and another side it is in English, so any person who knows Hindi or English, they can make out easily. So now I'm just mixing both the cream colorant and developer together. Guys, always make sure to read the instruction paper very carefully and very nicely, and also always do a patch test before applying any sort of hair color. So now I'm just putting on my gloves and I'm just now starting to section my hair. What I'm going to do basically is I'm going to divide my hair in 4 sections. There are going to be 2 sections at the top and 2 sections at the bottom. How the cream colorant and the developer look together. And now I'm just going to dip that expert highlight in this brush, and now I'm going to do vertical application on my hair. In the leaflet it is mentioned that with every stroke or the application you have to dip the brush again into the mixture. So make sure to do that if you want really bright and nice looking highlights. Since I didn't want that and really wanted to blend the color on my hair, so I did that. But if you want really nice highlights, then definitely you can take the mixture on the expert brush after each stroke. Make sure guys that you don't get it anywhere near your face or near your eyes, and also make sure to put some color at the back of your head. Now I'm opening the other section. Now I'm just going to work it just the same the way I did on the other side. During the application I was really worried whether the quantity of the product will be okay to color my hair or not. So I highly recommend you guys to use 2 packs or more if you have very long hair. Once you're done with the applications, just check it once and then you can wait for about 45 minutes before you wash it. This is what my hair looks like after 45 minutes. And now, as given on the instruction paper, I'm just wearing my gloves to shampoo my hair, and then I'll be using this protective conditioner. So guys, this is what the outcome of this product looks like on my hair. You can see, and if you want more vibrant highlights, then I would suggest you to use some foils or to foil your hair when you apply the color. And I would say if you don't like white strands, then please don't use it, because this product did give me some white strands, so be secure. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. You can share this video with a friend who needs it. Like this video and comment your queries in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed this video. So I'll see you. Bye. Thanks for watching.